Do you ever feel like you're leaving money on the table with your savings? It's a common frustration. You want competitive rates for your cash, but the process of finding the right account and opening it can be a maze of bank applications and forms. That's where platforms like SaveBetter come in. They simplify access to high-yield products from different banks, including institutions like Patriot Bank. Specifically, we're talking about the Patriot Bank Money Market Account, or MMA, as accessed through SaveBetter. This combination has been catching the attention of savers looking for a good rate without the hassle of traditional banking processes. But what is the actual customer experience like? Is the streamlined application truly smooth, and how is the day-to-day management? Based on real customer feedback, the overall experience of opening the Patriot Bank MMA through the SaveBetter platform is generally positive, focusing on two key benefits, the rate and the simplicity. First, the rate. Customers often choose this account because it offers a very competitive annual percentage yield, or APY. In a world where high returns on liquid cash can be hard to find, people are happy to move their money to an account that is working harder for them. It's a core reason why they went with this specific bank platform pairing. Second is the convenience of the SaveBetter platform itself. People appreciate that you only have one login and one application to manage deposits from different partner banks. The Patriot Bank MMA opening process through SaveBetter is described as simple and quick, especially if you already have a SaveBetter account. It cuts out the repetitive paperwork of opening multiple accounts. However, like any online-focused account, there are a couple of points that customers mention. Because the account is managed through the SaveBetter platform, you typically interact with their customer service, which can sometimes lead to a bit of a delay or a learning curve if you need to call about specific Patriot Bank account details. Also, while the rates are competitive, they are variable, so remember to check the current APY. Another detail that comes up is money transfer speed. While simple, initial linking of external accounts and large transfers can sometimes take a few days to fully clear, which is standard for new online accounts but something to be aware of if you need immediate access to a large sum. Ultimately, the consensus suggests that for anyone prioritizing a competitive yield and a user-friendly, centralized application process, the Patriot Bank MMA via SaveBetter is a strong contender. It delivers on the promise of making high-yield savings more accessible. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.